Today, I'm going to show you how to create animated cartoon videos, just like this one.
First, I'll drag in some backgrounds into my uploads area. I'll choose this one that has plenty of width. Then I'll drag the pages out to about 10 seconds. I'll add a few more. There we go. Okay, for that one, like that. And for this one, I'll put it there. Nice. Now I'm going to show you a few different ways to make some of your characters or objects move. So first of all, I'll go to Elements and look for a walker. Here's a pro tip. I'll go right here, click on this, then click on Animated, and now everything you see in this area moves. Go to Graphics. How about walking? Just what I wanted. All right, so let's get this guy and put him there. And I'll also choose this lady with the bags. I'll flip her so the two walkers are going in the same direction. Now I'll make this image move. This is a really long panoramic image. I got this on Creative Fabrica, which is one of my favorite sites. I'll share the link with you in the description. I already have the two people walking, but now I want to make this background move too. So click on the background, click on Animate, click on the B. Now hold the Shift button down and start pulling it across just like this. I will choose Steady and make it a bit slower. Then click Done, and now you have a nice little animation of two people walking out near the beach. Okay, on this one, I'll do something a little different. So this time, I'm going to search for a car. I'm still in the animated section. If you need to check, just click here, and you can see everything is animated. I think I'll choose this one. Shrink it. I'll flip it. And I'm going to do something different, but using the same basic idea. Click on the background, click on Animate, click on the B, hold down the Shift button, and start dragging the background across. If you want to make it faster, just crank up the speed. I'll choose Steady. Yeah, let's go even faster. Then click Done. Now I'll shrink this page down to right about the time the movement stops. Okay, on this last animation, I'm going to find a car that's coming right at me. I'll just choose this one and put it there. I'll duplicate the page. On the second one, I'll make the car a whole lot bigger. Now I need a transition. I'll choose Match and Move. Watch this. Okay. Then all you have to do is shrink the page length down before the car starts moving and then at the end. Excellent! And now you've learned 2 new ways to animate objects inside Canva.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.